Okay, so Shiva, like, okay, for your question, so let's take, I have something called database. Okay, let's consider this is a complete database. So it can have like multiple chambers. Okay, so each can be given two different parts, right? Okay, so it can hold, okay, something drive related information. Okay, so or it can hold something called, okay, any kind, like any activities, okay, which we are doing. So which can hold like something called any actions like which we are performing. So which can store, okay, like something called a variable declaration. Okay, so let's take, if I have given something called student name, right? So student name, student number. Likewise, okay, it can have like multiple chambers. Okay, database which is a collection of all these chambers. Okay, so which will initially, okay, we will give some sort of database, okay, to store information at system level. Okay, so let's take, I have something operations which will be, okay, performing every time, okay, when system is on. So those operations, okay, we have to give some sort of space. Okay, so those system operations, okay, which will be default, okay, which will be given some memory space, and remain for other activities, okay, we will be giving some sort of memory space. Okay, and for the actions which will be like standard actions and custom actions. For standard actions means like which are already pre-built standard actions. Let's take, okay, I'm just clicking here. So this is a standard action, okay, everyone needs this. So standard navigations, okay, if I want to check the Wi-Fi, whether it is connected, if I want to check the speaker. So, okay, what is the sound which I have right now? Okay, I can just control that sound system. These are like standard actions. And I can also give specific to user also, okay, some custom actions. So for that, I need some sort of memory allocation needed. So likewise, okay, so in database also, we will be just, okay, segregating that according to the user, okay, so user name, right? Likewise, okay, when we point out, okay, so something called, when we just see from a developer perspective, so we just also need to have some space where I can, okay, create some sort of customized data, customized actions, right? So which is already given some memory space to us, okay, which is provided by Salesforce. That memory space we will be using. Okay, so in that memory space, let's say, okay, you are creating, okay, in this customized action, so you want to perform something called, you want to create something called SOP. Okay, so with the name student, as we discussed. So this student, okay, so which will be stored into this memory space. Okay, and so why we are giving name, why I'm mentioning, okay, name given to memory spaces, okay, student can be understood, okay, whenever, so we need it, right? Like, okay, anyways, okay, we need this. So if I want to retrieve that information, I just need to call that S object or that memory space with a specific name. Okay, so in that sense, we will be using, okay, so this memory space name to retrieve the information. Okay, so in that sense, like, so this is completed database only, but the thing is, okay, which this database can be classified or categorized, so based on the needs. Okay, so out of which, like, S object, which is a one sort of, okay, memory space. Okay, so which can hold some information of a specific user's need. Okay, so whenever it is required, so we can just go through that. We can just retrieve that based on that name set. So is it clear or any confusion? Is it clear to everyone? What is memory and why I said, okay, a name given to memory space? A subject which is okay. Your point is like, is it a database? Yes, it is also a database, but we need to give some sort of information. But this is not a complete database. So what I meant to say, this is not a complete database. A subject which is not a complete database, which is a something, okay, a chamber, I could say, a single chamber which is given, and we can utilize that chamber in a database. Okay, so which will only hold date, okay, business activities, okay, and we can just give some sort of name and we can declare whenever it is needed. Okay? So that is an SOG. And now, okay, so before going to something, okay, which we will be creating an account in Salesforce now. Before that, okay, I just want to discuss one more point here. Like we will be having a Gartner. So let's take, okay, some students, they have some doubts, okay, how many years like we can be in a Salesforce. Okay, so that like most of the people like who are, okay, so coming to Salesforce, okay, they want to acquire Salesforce knowledge and they want to be create, okay, their career in Salesforce. They will have like lots of doubt, okay, so initially. So whether like I can get the information from Salesforce or like how many years like this Salesforce can sustain. And okay, likewise, we can have like multiple questions, right? This is open source, like you can also just search Gartner. So Gartner, which is something, okay, which will provide like Magic Quadrant every, hello, uh,
చిన్న బుక్ ఒకటి నోట్బుక్
can, can you guys mute? I'm getting background noise. Hello, can you mute yourself? Yeah, so Gartner Magic Quadrant, okay, so which is something which is like whole, okay, whole world which will follow this Gartner, okay. So not me or not you, okay. So the whole entire world, okay, world which is following Gartner. So whatever, okay, new company or new business which has come up, so which will give, okay, some ratings. So throughout the world, okay, so you can go through Gartner, okay, so graphs also. So there will be like multiple graphs you can see, okay, like this. So which will like four quadrants we can find, okay. So one quarter is like, okay, nature players means which is recently like they have started, and okay, so they are growing their business, okay. Let's take HCL Software, Kibo, Oro, okay, Shopware. And so these are all like multiple companies, and you can just see other companies also. But okay, they are just giving a few companies here. So this is Nature Player, which is initial companies like who are giving good service. Okay, all are like giving good service. Out of which like category wise. So this is the first category, means okay, top fourth category, and this is top third category, and this is top second category, and this is top first category, okay. So and if you can see like Salesforce, which is on top second category, okay. So if okay, any person like which is on leaders, so okay, they will sustain like long, okay, long time. So this like you can also go through this websites, okay. You can search for Gartner or Salesforce, okay, and you can just get some idea, right? So Gartner, which is like worldwide, all businesses they follow, okay. So which is like a standard, okay. So any company which will actually have to, okay, so have to be reviewed by this Gartner, okay. So right, so
ఇప్పుడు
you can just go through it, and you can just identify like what is a Salesforce, and okay, so how best like it is giving services, okay, and how best like it is giving services to multiple vendors or multiple, so okay, partner companies, like you can just go through all. So anyways, like we do have Google, so we can just search and do that, like And yeah, so right now, okay, we what let's see. So how we will be creating a Salesforce account? Okay, so we will just see, uh, write it down. So developer.salesforce.com. So this is the URL. So which is like I mentioned, right, like multiple editions we do have. So out of which, okay, so I mentioned like developer edition, which is a free edition. Okay, so basic edition and free edition. So we can utilize this. Okay, so for this, like what is the URL? You have to go, okay, developer.salesforce.com, and then, okay, so you have to sign up. So I'm signing up here, like, okay, so your first name. So I'm giving e-techno. Okay, so it can be like simpler. Yeah, it can be like e-techno, so, or e-technos. Batch 21. Okay, so email address. Dot gmail.com. And it will just ask, okay, role. So it is not, it is a mandatory. Okay, you can see star symbol here. It is a mandatory. Email also mandatory. First name, last name, all are mandatory required. So you have to give something. Okay, don't worry, so nothing will happen this. So you can just put developer or administrator, nothing. Okay, nothing will happen. So which is just, it is just asking like what you do. So it will ask like company name also. You can give any company. So no worries. So you can give Techno. And country, okay, so I'll be giving India. So in this postal code, it will be asking, but okay, it won't. Previously, it was not asking, but okay, now the postal code also given. So you can use. Yeah. So here, like you can ask like username. Okay, so you can just ask like which type of username you want. Okay, so with this you have to log in actually username and password. So it is asking, okay, which type of username you want. Okay, so I'm just creating. Except so eTechnos SFDC21 at the rate you have to mention. So at the rate you can just use, or simply SFDC21 like this. Okay, so SFDC21 at the rate etechnos.com. So this is okay. Username we will be using. I'm just creating an account. So if this is not taken by anyone, okay, so it will just okay, allow us. Otherwise, like it will just ask you to create one more username. But right now, okay, it is not taken by anyone. So it is saying like almost there. I guess okay, I'll be getting one email. Okay. So this is the email ID. Refresh it. So you can also create your own. Okay. So but right now, you can just work on these also, this account if you want, or otherwise like you can just create your own account today. Sometimes okay, it will go to your spam also, spam account. Yeah, so we have got like this, okay. So we should have something. Okay, so we got something. Okay, so this is a get to. So you just click on get to. So maybe like they have upgraded something, but previously, okay, we used to get some link. So we have to go to that link.
Panel తోటి తీసుకున్నా.
Yeah, so this one, okay, yeah. So we got one more. This is the one actually. So it is asking, okay, so this is the URL you can use. Okay, so for lifetime you can utilize this URL, eTechnos so dev. Okay, so developer edition. You can see dev admins developer edition .my.salesforce.com. Okay, so eTechnos dev add. So this is the one we have to use. This is the URL, and the username is like sfdc21@etechnos.com. So click on this. Sorry, click on this verify account first. So it will just check okay whether you are the person or not. So you have to verify from the email. So as we did right, like from multiple, yeah, it will ask like first time it will ask set up a password. Okay, so I will set up a password and I'll share with you. Okay, so because it is recorded, right, so I don't want to save that here. So terminate it is here. Passwords don't match. Let's give anything. Okay, so let's see. Right. Okay, so this is the URL. So we call it as instance etechnos dev. Okay, ed.lightning.force.com. Okay, so this is the home page. Like when you log in, so you will see this screen. So this is home page. So it will just tell you like okay, a quick like review. Okay, so quick navigations you can just try. But okay, so as a cap, okay, so this is something called okay HTTPS. This is the URL. Okay, for Lightning, and we do have like Classic also, Classic and Lightning both. So, but by default, okay, so mostly like now we are using Lightning only, not Classic. So Classic, like which was old version. So, but now okay, it has come up with new features and all. So in a Lightning. So if you want to switch, okay, from Classic to Lightning, you can just do that stuff also. Okay, so switch to Salesforce Classic. There is an option, right? So if you click this, so the URL will also be changing a little bit. You can see here, okay, so previously we got right like my.salesforce.com. So this was the earlier, okay, so URL, so which actually redirects you to a classic view. So this is a classic homepage. Okay, so this is a classic, and if you go to like Lightning, so which will be like more UI friendly user interface, which is very good. But in classic, okay, which is a old version, okay, so which you can see like which is not that much okay good as per the UI. You can just see okay some sort okay some these are all tabs. Okay, we discussed it, so these are all tabs, and you can also switch to Lightning at any time. So you can switch to Classic and you can switch to Lightning. Okay, so if you want to switch to Lightning, you just need to click this. Okay, switch to Lightning experience, and you can see okay Technos batch 21. So this is the name. Okay, so name of this user. Okay, so user's name actually. Okay, so this is not a company. This is something like okay. So user's name, and you can see like its profile. Okay, you can see like my profile means you can just see like this eTechnos batch 21 profile, and you can go to like settings, and we will see okay how we will be using this developer console. Mostly okay we have the force.com I mentioned that force.com. So this okay, so the force.com, okay, which we will be dealing entire in this developer console. Okay, so the epics and everything we will be writing here in this developer console. And okay, so switch to Lightning experience again you got, and if you want to log out, you can just log out. Okay, so log out and log in. So let's take okay, I have logged out. So if I want to log in, I just need to give something the username. So do you remember username? Yes, we have here. Technos. Sorry, batch 21. Okay, you can use this URL. You can use. Just give me a moment. Something happened. Okay. Just utilizing same password. Okay, I'll just recover this password. Okay, and I'll share it with you guys. And meantime, okay, so what we have discussed for today. Okay, so we have created one account also, and so we have seen like what is project and product. So the difference between project and product, and we have seen okay different vocabulary which we are using. App is like set of services offered by client company, which is a called project, and tab is okay something which is a module, and okay so S object which is a which can store and retrieve the data. So with the given namespace, okay, so we have to provide some name, and accordingly we have to retrieve. And like this, okay, so student info which is an S object and which contains multiple properties. That property we call it as a field. So field is something okay which is a property which is associated with S object, and data is which is the data or input which is provided to a specific field, and okay records which can hold all data okay of a specific field. Okay, so which is a collection of all the data of fields which is record. And tomorrow session, okay, we will see like page layouts, report tabs, search layouts, like okay, lookup filters and all this. And we will also go through okay navigation, and we have also already created one account, right? Account creation. So how we have created developer Salesforce. So here, like you just need to give like username, password, and username, and you have to set password. And so yeah, you can also create one account. I think you have already seen that. So meantime, okay, I'll just set up that, and I'll share password with you. And okay, we have also discussed like versions. So it will be having like okay, so yearly 3 versions: summer, spring, and winter. And we have created an account also, and we will see like basic navigations, and then so we will start, okay, admin concepts from tomorrow. So which will come up with like, okay, 10 hours. So complete admin we will cover, and then we will start development. So guys, like, do you have any queries? Like we are already a bit late. Stopping recording, like you have any